Majority Leader, distinguished colleagues, our friends from the MYK. Currently, our command center is situated on a fourth floor. Come during haywater, come during storm, it is underwater. As a matter of fact, sa panahon ng emergency, punong-puno pa rin ng mga sasakyan doon. Honorable Vice Mayor, it is high time that we shall have a command center that will be situated on a place above the water line in Dagupan City. A place that is far without any crowded parking area, sufficient to accommodate any and all rescue vehicles upang hindi magkakagulo-gulo ang ating mga vehicles sa panahon ng pangangailangan. Kung kaya't, I have the honor to move for the approval that the Honorable Vice Mayor and the Mayor come up with this resolution for the construction of a Ligtas Center in Dagupan City. I so move.
Of Councilor Joey Tamayo and to the other principal authors, Mr. Chair. Maganda po itong resolution because the city government should not rest on its own laurels. Kahit na lagi po tayong tumatanggap ng award, Kalasag ba yun? Kalasag award, di po tayo taon-taon. Gusto pa rin ho natin dagdagan ang proteksyon at seguridad ng ating mga mamamayan. Kamakailan lang po, nagbigay po ang city government ng karagdagang kagamitan para ho sa disaster preparedness and response sa mga barangay. Ngayon naman po, para ho mas maayos ang ating operations, kinakailangan solid po ang ating command center na kakayanin kahit anong kalamidad ang dumating sa ating mahal na lungsod.